Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Charisma Zahira. I'm from 36825 class. My student ID is 362200052. This is Applied Linguistic Midterm, Applied Linguistic Translation and Interpreting. Applied Linguistic is a branch of linguistics focusing on application of linguistic theories in a real context to solve language-related problems in everyday life. Translation is the process of transferring meaning from source language to target language. The goal is to convey the message accurately and effectively without losing the meaning. Relationship between applied linguistics and translation: understand the linguistic aspect of the source and target languages, examining error due to mother tongue influence so the translator can correct them, support translation through the development of technology like machine translation and AI-based translation tool. Translation theory form an equivalent close to the structure and form of the original language. Dynamic equivalent adapts to the culture and style so it can be easily understood. Translation practice: application in the process of translating a text from one language to another, considering theory, context, purpose of communication. Examples of translation practice: translation error analysis, literal translation that are wrong in meaning and correcting them, translation in language teaching using translation as a tool for French language learning, like for comparing language structure, using computer-assisted translation like Google Translate and Deep Translate, intercultural translation, translating texts that contain cultural elements so they can be understood by a reader from the other culture. Translation issue in applied linguistics: access issue. Not all the people or communities have equal access to translation service. Effectiveness issue. Not all translations are effective in conveying meaning, like in the cultural context. Technology issues. Translation engines such as Google Translate and DeepL help with quick translation but are not yet perfect. Interpreting is transferring the meaning of the message from one language to another orally and spontaneously. Interdisciplinary work combines knowledge, methods, and perspective from two or more disciplines to solve a problem or understand a phenomenon. Interpreting as this interdisciplinary work, interpreting is not just a translating language orally, but involves more than just one language skill. So here are the storytelling. In semester 5, there was a midterm project for social media course. We had to make a TikTok video and website that promote the campus and English literature department. The video and website were in English, so we compiled and translate our words and sentences for the assignment from Indonesian to English. We have to think of a translation that is not stiff, still interesting, and easily understood by local and foreign audiences and readers. This is where creative translation skills come in handy. In the research course midterm project in semester 5, we made an English journal analyzing an English work. We chose to analyze English song. We listened and read the lyrics of the English song, and then we understood the meaning and message of the song. We compose and translate our sentences, applying Indonesian to English into the journal project. Here, semantic and pragmatic in applied linguistics help understand language style, word choice information for the audience and reader. In translation course this semester, there are idioms. Idioms can be found in daily conversation, movies, lecture materials, tests, fiction books, to build atmosphere in the story and enhance the story's beauty. Because idioms cannot be interpreted word for word, it makes me confused sometimes. In applied linguistics, pragmatic and expression used in native culture and target culture are important in translating idioms. We can look for idiom equivalent in the target language, such as kill two birds with one stone, sekali mendayung 2-3 pulau terlampaui. Break the ice, mencairkan suasana, is also idiomatic in Indonesian. Replace with natural expression that are equivalent in meaning. Hit the books is belajar keras, not memukul buku. Here are another example of storytelling. Leah is the member of the social media division of Student Executive Board. Her organization often posts information about campus events in both Indonesian and English in order to reach international students. Leah is in the charge of translating Instagram poster and caption. She applies creative writing and translation, a translation that is not rigid, interesting, and easily understood by reader. For example, ayo ikuti lomba debat antar jurusan minggu depan. Translate as join the inter-department debate competition next week. Ayo ramaikan, translate as come, and join the fun. So that's all from my presentation and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.